Welcome! Today I am with Istanbul Guys game and I will show you how you can change your nickname. So when you are on the home screen, all you have to do is simply click on this pencil right here in the on the left upper corner, and tap on this pencil right here. You can enter your name, and as you can see here, we get the notification that the first name change is free. So you can type whatever you want. I'm going to name this account as HardReset and click to free. As you can see, in my case the name was taken, so I have to try another one. For example, this one. Okay, this one is too long, so we have to go for the 4 to 12 letters. Maybe this one. Yeah, this one is fine. As you can see, our nickname was changed. So there it is. That's how you can easily change your nickname in Istanbul Guys game. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.